Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a fall decorate with me on the front porch. I am so excited to be decorating for fall. I've already decorated the inside of the house, so if you guys have not checked those videos out, go ahead and check out those. And I'm going to be adding a little fall decor out to the front porch with just the things that I have left over. So if you guys are ready, let's hop into this video. I love using these pumpkins outside on the front porch. Most of you guys know I'm a very neutral girl, so this year I decided that I wanted to use some reds, some burnt oranges for the fall, and I am really loving it. I got that little home sweet home sign from the Dollar Tree. I believe it was $3. I also went back to HEB, which is a grocery store here in Texas, and got some more Grapevine pumpkins. Those are actually what those are called, because I had to have these on the front porch. All I'm using is a long piece of garland to create a wreath on the front door. I really wish I would have showed you guys how it looked. And because I don't like those door hanging things that people usually use to hang their wreaths, I like to use zip ties, and I just zip tie it to the iron that's on the front door, and it stays put all season. guys, I realized that I put this wreath on totally backwards. That's why I'm looking at it like that. So I had to pull everything to the front because I was not about to take this down again. I could not decide where I wanted to put this sign. Last year I had it in the middle of the wreath. And so this year I decided to just put it here. That's why I got Jason holding it, because I have to see how it looks. I decided to take the red leaves down from the Home Sweet Home sign because I really needed to add it to this wreath on the front door to tie everything in. So I just went back to Hobby Lobby and got another wreath for the actual sign. So you guys, I have everything to the right side of the porch because everybody can see the front porch from that away when they're driving. You can't see our front porch if you're driving the other way because of how my husband parks his truck. But I wanted to get you guys' opinion on where I should put those brown pumpkins, because to this day I just put them in the front and I'm just not sure. So you guys give me your opinion. As you guys saw me moving them back and forth, let me know where you feel that I should put those brown pumpkins.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest.
If you have not checked out the fall DIY video that I did where I made this pumpkin welcome sign, you have to go check that out. There are so many great ideas in that video. You definitely will at least get one item out of that video because everything was easy to do as a DIY. And I think it's a great addition to this porch, and I'm so glad I did it. You guys definitely let me know how you feel. And if you want to see more videos, check them out over here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Don't make it easy.